a minute. Oh, it's just you?
Yeah.
I thought you were the UPS guy. Shit. Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son?
And I'm back with another video. As you guys just seen, I thought that was the UPS guy delivering a pair of shoes that I'm really excited about, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. Super excited. Also this morning, Off-White Air Force Ones dropped, the Volt colorway, and then they got some toddler colorways too for the baby. So I'm gonna go after that and try to get the baby some shoes too today. So cross your fingers, man. If I don't hit on mines, whatever, I don't care, but I hope I get the baby size. That would be really dope. But anyway, guys, if this is your first time watching and you are new to the channel, I truly appreciate it. Just do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. Also, you're most likely not following me on Instagram and Twitter. My links will be down below at the son of some man. But anyway, guys, you know, as soon as the sneakers get here, I will be unboxing them and showing you guys. I can't wait. I'm super excited about them. And it's about 13 minutes until the Air Force Ones drop. Alright. Got about 1 minute until sneakers app draw. I'm gonna be doing one. I got my iPad set up to do one. I tried to get the computer to do one, but Tyler said I can't do it unless I use web browser, so I'm downloading Google Chrome right now. Then I got my wife doing it too, so you know, hopefully we get lucky, man. That's what we're going for right there. 1 minute and it's open, baby. Enter the draw. Submit. Confirm. Alright guys, now we entered the draw, so check back in 10 minutes, see if we won. Alright guys, so now let's check our results. Your entry was not selected. What else is new? Well guys, guess what? We did not win. And now my daughter's upset about it. Alright. So the shoes haven't come in yet, but they should be here shortly. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna go outside right now and see if they came. Sometimes they like to leave them on the stoop and not ring the bell like a bunch of jackasses. You know what I mean? Just really stupid. I really don't get that. I thought they, you know, supposed to ring your bell and let you know that. Especially when you pay $1,000 for something. So, oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, guys. Now I did not unbox these and then retape them just to do the video. You obviously seen I just got them just now. Super excited about this sneaker unboxing. Honestly, this really might be the sneaker of the year for me, man, and the future of sneakers. So without further ado, let's dig into this box. Get the old knife. Remember, gotta be extra careful with this guy. He is super sharp. Now I did pick this package up from GOAT, but this video is not sponsored by GOAT. But if you are watching GOAT, hit your boy up. Maybe we could work something out. See a lot of people doing StockX videos. Where the GOAT at, though? Where the GOAT be at, though? Alright, guys. Whew, super excited. Anyway, for most of you guys, you're probably gonna know right away what this is. Right off the box. Nike Fear of God. Fire. Now, remember, we respect the box because without the box, we don't get the sneakers. Ooh. Now guys, stay tuned for tomorrow as well, because we're going to be doing a detailed review on this shoe. Boy, I'm excited about this shoe. Let's lift up the box. I heard this packaging is just super special. Woo. Just a you know, regular Big orange box. We got the GOAT, authenticated by UU. Thank you, UU. Then we got that Fear of God tote bag, which is fire. You gotta like lay it down. The lining out here is clear. And then anyway, never mind that. We'll get into a detailed look at these essentials as we do the review tomorrow. Right now, we're just, you know, super excited about this unboxing. Got here. We'll save that. We'll take that. We'll take a look at that during the review. Let's just get right into the unboxing of these beautiful, beautiful shoes. Woo. You don't win them on. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you got fire emojis, make sure you drop them down in the comment section. This shoe is fire, bro. Woo. Woo. I told you guys, bro, this is the future of sneakers. Guys, this is immaculate. I don't know, when I first seen them, I was like, wow, I gotta have these shoes, man. Then I was watching some interview with Jerry Lorenzo and what's that other guy? John, I forget the other guy's name, but it was on Complex, and they were talking about, you know, like how he came about with the shape of the shoe, and how and what Nike, you know, what it's like to work with Nike and whatnot. But anyway, we'll get into those details, during tomorrow's review. But these are super, super fire, bro. I ain't mad at you. So dope. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. I don't know why I'm talking low. I'm just like getting awe looking at this sneaker though, honestly. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate all the support, man. Stay tuned for a detailed review coming tomorrow. I will be dropping that tomorrow. Whew. Also, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, my links will be down below. But until next time, guys, it's your man, the Son of Some Man, and I'm out. Peace.